Let me ask you something. Are you the one who's always on your phone, scrolling endlessly through social media, watching other people live their lives while yours stands still? Are you the one who just watches the clock tick at work, wishing for a way out, but never doing anything about it? Are you the one always making excuses, blaming your situation on your parents, your friends, or your past? I need you to listen up because I'm talking to you. You can make a choice right now to change your life. You can decide to level up, to stop playing the victim, and to stop living in the past. But the question is, are you ready to stop making excuses and finally take control? Are you ready to own up to your choices and take action? You see, nothing will change if you don't change. You could have transformed your body. You could have fixed that broken relationship. You could have switched careers, and you could have started working on your dreams. But you chose to stay where you are. You chose the path you're on. So here's the big question for you. Will you keep living the same way for another year? Or will you take responsibility and start changing? Don't wait for someone else to change your situation for you. Change starts with you. This year is your year. It doesn't matter if you feel like it. It doesn't matter if you enjoy every step along the way. What matters is that you show up. You show up when you don't feel like it. You show up when the world is against you. You show up when it's hard. That's when you push through and grow. And that's what will give you results. You are in control. You are the author of your story. So stop being a spectator in your life. Get off the sidelines and step into the game. Start making moves instead of just watching everyone else succeed. How do you start? Let me tell you. It doesn't have to be massive, overwhelming changes. It's the small things that add up. Commit to reading a book every week. Just one book. And trust me, that alone will change you. Or invest in yourself by getting a new certification or skill. Become an expert in something. If you do this consistently, this simple change will start shifting your reality. What are the 2 things you need to do? You probably already know. It's time to stop talking and start doing. The more you show up, the more you get results. The more you dedicate yourself to growing, the more you transform. It's not about what you're good at right now. It's about what you do next. Your life is a blank canvas. You are holding the brush. What's your masterpiece going to look like? This is the time to stop procrastinating, to stop letting self-doubt control your actions. Stop letting negative thoughts hold you back. Push through the challenges. When the going gets tough, that's when your true strength will show. Every obstacle you face is just another test for your resilience. You know the life you want. You know what you deserve. But are you ready to step up and claim it? It's time to let go of the excuses. Stop blaming your environment, your upbringing, or the people around you. That's not what's holding you back. The only thing holding you back is you. So, what will you do this year? Will you stay in the same job you hate? Will you continue to dread your morning routine? Will you settle for average relationships that don't serve you? Or will you take control? You have the power to change any area of your life that doesn't make you happy. I want you to know that you're capable of so much more than you think. You have everything within you to achieve greatness. There's no limit to what you can do once you build the mental strength to push through anything. It's not about talent or luck. It's about grit, determination, and staying focused on your goals no matter the obstacles. Don't let fear stop you. Fear is just a feeling. It's not real. When you face fear head on, you grow stronger. You push past the doubts and rise higher than you thought possible. You've already made it this far, so why stop now? Keep pushing, keep striving, keep growing. The journey is tough, but that's where the breakthrough moments happen. Stay focused on your goals, because that's where your life begins to change. This is the time to level up. You've got the vision, you've got the drive. Now all you need to do is take action. The life you want is within your reach. The difference between where you are now and where you want to be is simply the decisions you make starting today. Don't wait another year. Don't waste another moment. It's time to put in the work and get what you've always wanted. It's time to stop sitting on the sidelines and start living the life you deserve. You hold the power. You control your destiny. So ask yourself, are you going to keep waiting for change? Or are you going to be the one who creates it? Are you ready to show up for yourself? Are you ready to make 2025 the year that changes everything? The time is now. No more excuses. No more waiting for the right moment. The moment is right now. So, what's it going to be? The choice is yours.